Good morning, Travis here with the Modern Bay Company. I do Subaru conversions and Volkswagen bay window buses. Today we're heading out from the shop doing something a little different. So some of you who follow me on Instagram, you saw the horde of VW buses that I posted maybe 2 months ago. I tried to make a deal with the owner for all the buses. There was probably, I don't know, 10 or 12 of them. We couldn't work out a deal on all of them, but I am getting 2 of them for now. One of the buses, it's a 75, it's OG paint, it's got these retro stripes on it, it's orange and brown, you're going to see it in a minute. Super excited about that guy. The other bus, it's an early bay, it's a low light, I'm not sure exactly which year, but it's 68 to 71, somewhere in there. And it's a Riviera, so it's a camper, which is great. But the cool thing is, it was owned by Ernest Hemingway's second son, Patrick Hemingway. So I love the history, I love the provenance there, and it's just kind of cool. I dig that stuff. So the mission today, we're gonna head out. I've got my impact, got the 19mm socket to pull the wheels off. I'm gonna make sure that all the wheels are free and not stuck. So I've got this guy, which I use for torquing the big castle nut on the rear bearings of the buses, but it fits around the lug post. And so if there's any wheels that are stuck or a little stubborn, I'm gonna put that guy on them and see if I can torque them free, just to get this guy rolling so I can get it out of where it is. So I'm also gonna bring a set of 4 wheels and tires that are good rollers so that I can swap them onto the 75 today to start getting it out of there. So yeah, welcome to follow along, join the adventure here, and I'm excited to go see what we find. All right, it is a good day to rescue some old buses. So I'm out there, or I'm on my way out there now. I just spoke with the owner. He's still good to go. I may not have time to swap out wheels and tires today, but I'll at least drop these guys off for next time when I come back and get to put eyes on the buses. I'll post some videos, post some photos for you guys to see. Yeah, we're on our way. So I'm here out in the brush, in the bush. This is the, I believe it's 71. It was owned by Patrick Hemingway, and excited to get some wheels on this guy and get going. So here we go. All right, so we got all 4 wheels on. This guy's about good to go. I'd say it's been a while since these guys have been on the road. Got some good shoes on it. Ready to roll. All right, so I'm gonna give just a little tour of it just to see what we're looking at here. This is full of stuff here, but it's got the original top, the original interior back there, which is awesome. You go down here, oh, I love this stuff. All right, so it's a 71, made in 11 of 70, which would make sense because it's got the disc front brakes. What's this? Look at that, the Riviera tag. Heck yeah. I love it. And then if we look in here, oh yeah, Neptune blue. One of my faves. There's a shot of the M plate. Take a picture of that as well. All right. And then we're looking down here. So I've got a column for it, so it's missing the steering column. Some other odds and ends. for the mice and varmints. Keep them out. Holes, a little bit crusty there. Need some new floors, likely. And then if we look back here, some crust. I've seen much worse for sure. And then body on this side. So we got some primer. So bottom 6 inches on this side could use some love. The nose could use some love. Here's underneath. The steering box has been disconnected, actually taken out, so I'll need to put a steering box in it. 2. So it's just full of parts, but you got the original cabinets, cushions, gas tank. I wonder if those are the original curtains, probably not. Got the Jalowski windows, that headliner, I've seen much worse. And then there we go. So cool. The back is just full of stuff there, but it's got that original cabinet, seats. Put this guy up. Got nothing back here, empty slate. Battery tray actually looks pretty good over there.